and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. Guys, go to your desktop, and what you want to do is you want to go to your search bar and then you want to start typing in default app. Here we go, so we're going to press this. Give that a click, and then once that's loading, you then want to search for apps. So we're just going to search for Chrome, so we're then going to give that a click, and then as you see at the top here it says make Google Chrome your default browser, so you just want to press that set as default. And there you go. That is it. Super quick one for you guys today on how to make Google Chrome your default browser. If you guys found this video useful, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.